Guess whose it is? Flash. Voice call.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You gonna give me info first?
Yeah. I got some DS speakers in my duals running off a Crossfire. I forget, it's a C5. But I forget which one it is. So I got two DCs, level 2s. So they're running off a Crossfire AK, and I got lithium battery. I got a 40-hour one, and I got a 20-hour one. So I got 60 all together. So
Okay. And you haven't metered it, or you have?
I metered it one time before, and it did a 147.
147.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I did some different stuff to it, so I got to see what it do now. But I haven't had a chance.
Okay. Is it louder with the seats up or down? Just curious.
It's louder with the seats down.
Seats down?
I mean, it plays the same, but I just keep it down because I like to, feel the bass.
You can feel the bass a little better.
And, I got my port, and I want the wind and stuff to
Yes, sir.
move around in it.
Okay. All right. What did you say it was tuned to?
It's tuned to 32-ish,
32-ish,
and it peaks at 38.
Okay. All right.
All right, so I'll play this thing here first, because it plays different off of each one. Like I got a USB 2, so let me play that U2 first.
Is it louder windows down or up?
It's loud windows down. Windows up, it still beat, but windows down, it gets more meaner.
Okay.
Let me play this into this thing. My YouTube acting stupid around
Oh, you're good. You have an upgraded alternator.
Yeah, I got a 260.
260?
260.
Okay.
Flash. Voice call.
You want high?
Whatever's loud. Up to you.
I'll start with the highs first.
Okay.
bottles on the table, a few waters. It ain't a secret, baby, everybody saw us. Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? Flash. Voice call. Next time we don't wanna make love. Next time we talk, I don't wanna just talk, I wanna trust. Next time I stand stand tall, I wanna be standing for you. And next time I spend, I wanna be for you. Talk more than these days.
Wow. Dude, them lows are impressive.
Yeah, he
Wow,
likes the
dude.
lows. I don't know why.
Wow,
He
that
really
was-
likes the lows.
That was impressive, dude. I appreciate the demo, man.
All right, no problem. I guess I'll show you.
Yeah, I'd love to see what's on the back. Dude, the low note though, it's really clean. Awesome. Woo. That's a big amp. And what is this wired to?
All right, the 1 ohm.
1 ohm.
Yeah, I gotta change my speaker to get it to go to half ohm.
Apple. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
Trust. Next time I stand tall, I wanna be standing for you. And next time I spend, I wanna be for you. Guess who's it is? whose it is? Guess whose it is? Flash. Voice call. Next time we know. Next time we talk, I don't wanna trust. Next time I stand tall, I wanna be standing for you. And next time I spend, I want it all. Next time I stand tall, I wanna be standing for you. And next time I spend, I want it all to be for you. Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is? Guess whose it is?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.